Hello. Welcome to the Haunted Tea Room. I'm Katarina Scott, and let's go ahead and get comfortable. Whether you're laying down, sitting with your tea, or hiding under a cozy blanket, this is your moment to just breathe, slow down, and settle in. Now, let's step through the door into your mind and enter the haunted tea room together. Close your eyes and let your body settle. Notice your breath. Don't change and don't force it. Just become aware of the rhythm you already have. Rejection can feel like a lightning strike in our nervous system. Sudden, overwhelming, and it whispers stories to us like, I'm not wanted, I don't belong, I'm too much and I'm not enough. But we are going to slow that down together. You are not the story, you are the storyteller. So let's take a slow, deep breath in and let it go. Feel your feet against the ground, like roots anchoring you into the earth. When rejection sensitivity flares, it's the body trying to keep you safe. It mistakes a no or a silence, a look that you might get for danger. Whisper to your body now, thank you for protecting me. I am safe. Whisper, I am protected, and all bad energy is deflected. Notice where the ache lives in your body. Maybe it's in your chest, your throat, or your belly, and rest your hands there. Breathe into that space like you're giving it oxygen. And on the inhale, silently say, I feel this pain. And on the exhale, say, but I am not this pain. Inhale, I belong. And exhale, I am enough. Imagine a soft shield wrapping around you. Not hard or spiky, like a gentle bubble of light. And in this shield, your worth is untouchable. Opinions cannot pierce it. Silence cannot erase it. You are not defined by your rejection. You are defined by your presence, your persistence, and your humanity. Take another deep breath in and whisper to yourself, I am safe, I am worthy, and I am whole. Carry this shield with you everywhere you go. And a friendly reminder that a rejection is just a beautiful redirection. Gently open your eyes and return to the world. And thank you for joining us here in the Haunted Tea Room. If this moment has brought you any comfort or calm, please be sure to like, follow, and subscribe. Share a spell or a meditation with somebody who might need it. And until next time, please truly stay steeped in love and gratitude.